Okay, hold it there. Just hold it.
Yeah.
Hold it tight.
Okay. What are you doing, Joe?
Gotta shrink wrap this Yucca gloriosa before we dig it out because
I can't.
we're gonna get poked by the storm.
Okay. Oh, hello? Hold on. We brought you with us and you're making lots of noise. It's almost like we shrunk wrapped it.
Huh?
We shrunk wrapped it because they are very pointy, the ends, and usually when it gets to a certain height you want to clip those off because you'll poke your eyes out as a gardener. So anyway, Joe's digging this up and we're going to bring it back to our place and transplant it, and I think we're going to put it by our new little
big rock
studio that we've built. Beautiful. So right now we're at Grace Point. Beautiful in here.
Yeah.
So you may have to break some roots. Hey?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
It's in the worst I thought. Yeah, I got 2 shovels.
Okay. How old is this one, do you think?
I think it's been here about a decade.
Yeah. So right down here
There's a rock, right?
And there's irrigation there. Oh, I guess I wonder how big that rock is. That might be like looks pretty solid. Big rock.
It does.
Wow.
Oh, that's in there good, eh?
Where that leads to. Yeah, so Joe's being really careful.
Gotta undercut it.
Yeah.
I just want to get this irrigation.
No. Yeah.
Ah, come on. Yeah.
Big eucalyptus here. So you're probably also digging into their roots.
I am.
Yeah. Nice, just saying, it's nice size.
Through that irrigation pipe. I'm not seeing it, that's the thing.
Palms. Couple palms. They got their seeds. These azaleas are going to get lots of blossoms on them. All the little buds. Yeah. And the magnolia. Beautiful. Beautiful. Magnolia tree. I love them. Tulip tree. So it's a little more difficult than you thought. This one. Just because of the irrigation that's there.
Automatic.
Yeah.
These cordyceps.
Oh, I know, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to take these gloves off.
Oh.